Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to explain chapter 8, that is unitary method and time and work. Time and work is the optional exercise, so it will not be taught in your class. You will have only the first exercise, that is 8a, and this is the unitary method. Unitary method you have already studied in your lower classes, that is, if the cost of one toffee is 10 rupees, then what is the cost of 5 toffees? It is 10 into 5. If the cost of 10 chocolates is 70 rupees, then what is the cost of 1? It is obvious 7 rupees. Similarly, we have to solve the questions of this exercise 8a. So let's begin. In first question we have 16 articles cost rupees 72. So cost of 1, 72 divided by 16. You have to get the cost of 30 articles. Cost of 30 is equals to 30 into this is 72 by 16. Let's simplify. This is rupees 135. So I hope it is clear. Second question, third question is same as first. Now question number 2. At a party, 8 packets of chips are served for every batch of 5 students. How many packets would be served if 40 students were present in the party? How many packets should be served? I am going to explain the easiest method. How can you easily solve? Simply write, I am going to explain it by the ratio and proportion method. Packets you write and you just write students and write them together. If there are 8 packets, then students were 5. If there were 40 students, then you have to get the packet. Let packets be X. Okay, as we know that when the student increases, then the packets will also increase. So we can directly write it in terms of ratio. X by 8 by X is equals to 5 by 40. By cross multiplication, 5x is equals to 40 into 8. So x is equals to 40 into 8 upon 5. This is 64 packets. This is the easiest way. So second, third, easily you can solve. I am going to explain the fourth one. In fourth question it is given that a person at a speed of 72 km per hour travels by a car from Delhi to Chandigarh in 10 hours. What should be the average speed of the car so that the person can complete the journey in 8 hours? Simply write the similar values is speed and time. When the speed is 72 km per hour, then the time is 10 hours. When the time is 8 hours, then what should be the speed? Let speed be x. As we know that when the time decreases, then the speed should be more. For covering the distance in less time, the speed should be more. It means it is in inverse proportion. In this type of question, we will write the first one as it is, but the second one should be reciprocal, 8 by 10. So 8x is equals to 10 into 72. So x is equals to 72 into 10 upon 8. So it should be 90 km per hour. So like this, you can solve the other questions also. Fifth, you can solve. 6 you can solve. You have only 10 questions in this exercise. I am going to explain the question number 8. Randomly I am taking the questions. In 8, what is given? I'm not reading the question, I'm just writing what is in person given and the months. After writing, I will read the question. In 8th question, a contractor who had a workforce of 630 person undertook to complete a portion of a stadium in 14 months. He was asked to complete the job in 9 months. It is given 630 person, then it was completed in 14 months. But he was asked to complete the job in 9 months only. It means that the more person should be appointed there. Let person be X. Okay, let person be X, and the same process. When that month it decreases, then the persons will increase. It will be 630 by X is equals to 9 by 14. By cross multiplication, 9x is equals to 14 into 630. So X is equals to 14 into 630 upon 9. 980%. I hope it is clear. You can solve the other questions. If you have any queries, then you can ask. Thank you.